Living in Palmetto Bay offers beautiful coastal views, warm weather, and a relaxed lifestyle, but it also comes with unique challenges for homeowners. High humidity, salt air, strong sun exposure, and seasonal storms can all take a toll on your home's exterior, especially your doors. Choosing the right replacement doors is essential not only for appearance but also for durability, comfort, and long-term performance. One of the most important factors to consider is material selection. Coastal environments require doors that can withstand moisture and resist corrosion. Fiberglass and steel doors are among the most popular options for Palmetto Bay homes because they are highly durable and resistant to warping, cracking, and rust. Unlike traditional wood doors, which can absorb moisture and deteriorate over time, these materials maintain their strength and appearance even in humid conditions. Another key consideration is weather resistance. Replacement doors should be designed to handle heavy rain, strong winds, and fluctuating temperatures. Look for doors with high-quality weather stripping and tight seals that prevent water and air from entering your home. Proper sealing not only protects against the elements but also improves energy efficiency by keeping cool air inside during hot Florida days. Impact resistance is especially important in coastal areas. Doors that are built with impact-resistant glass or reinforced panels provide an added layer of protection during storms. These features help prevent damage from flying debris and reduce the risk of structural issues caused by sudden pressure changes. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, investing in impact-rated doors can offer both safety and peace of mind during hurricane season. Energy efficiency is another major benefit of modern replacement doors. With intense sunlight and high temperatures common in Palmetto Bay, doors that include insulated cores and energy-efficient glass can make a noticeable difference. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and lowering the demand on your air conditioning system. Over time, this leads to improved comfort and reduced energy costs. In addition to performance, design plays a significant role. Replacement doors should complement your home's architecture while enhancing its curb appeal. Coastal homes often feature light, airy designs, so many homeowners choose doors with glass panels or side lights that allow natural light to enter. Frosted or tinted glass options provide privacy while still maintaining brightness, creating a welcoming and open feel. Security is another important factor when selecting replacement doors. Modern doors are equipped with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames that improve overall protection. In a coastal environment, where doors may be exposed to strong winds and pressure, these features ensure that your home remains secure under various conditions. Maintenance requirements should also be considered. Coastal climates can be tough on exterior surfaces, so choosing low-maintenance materials is a smart decision. Fiberglass and steel doors typically require minimal upkeep compared to wood, which may need regular sealing or painting. With the right choice, you can enjoy a door that looks great and performs well without constant maintenance. Proper installation is just as important as the door itself. Even the highest quality door won't perform as expected if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the door is properly aligned, sealed, and secured, maximizing its durability and efficiency. This step is essential for preventing air leaks, water intrusion, and operational issues. Another benefit of upgrading your doors is the potential to increase your home's value. Buyers in coastal areas often prioritize features that enhance safety, efficiency, and durability. A well-chosen replacement door signals that your home is well-maintained and equipped to handle the local climate, making it more appealing in the market. Finally, choosing the right replacement door enhances your overall lifestyle. A door that operates smoothly, keeps your home comfortable, and stands up to coastal conditions makes everyday living easier and more enjoyable. In the end, selecting replacement doors for coastal living in Palmetto Bay is about balancing style, strength, and performance. By focusing on durable materials, weather resistance, energy efficiency, and proper installation, you can choose a door that not only looks great but also protects your home for years to come.